Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Feedly using too much memory or battery. So actually guys, first you will need to turn off the background app refresh. So Feedly constantly refreshing in the background and that drains battery, okay? So you will need at first to open the phone's settings, okay, and right here you will need to go and tap on the general option, the option that you can see at the top of my screen, okay, and after that you will need scroll down and tap on the background app refresh, so that option, okay, so just tap it and then find Feedly. So scroll till you can see Feedly or till you find it. So I turned it off a long time ago. So for you, you will need just to locate it and then turn it off, okay? So you will need just to go and tap, or to turn it off, you will need to go and tap right here, okay? As you can see, as I am doing with Facebook, right? And this alone can significantly reduce the battery usage. Also, you will need to limit the auto refreshing feeds. So Feedly may sync too often. So in the Feedly app, you will need to avoid constantly pulling to refresh, okay? So avoid it. And don't leave the app open on active feeds for too long. So Feedly doesn't give full control here, so manual habits matters. And also you'll need to reduce the number of active feeds, so too many sources equal more memory plus battery usage. So just follow the low quality or barely used feeds and keep only important sources. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.